In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Keepa and SellerAmp SAS. We'll walk through installing the tools, analyzing a product on Amazon, and making a confident buy or pass decision using clear data. First, make sure you have both tools set up. Install the Keepa browser extension and the SellerAmp SAS extension from your browser's extension store, then log in to both accounts so the overlays appear on Amazon. If you're new, consider pinning the extensions so they're easy to access while you work. Next, open an Amazon product page you're interested in. Once the page loads, open the SellerAmp SAS panel. It usually sits on the side of the screen and gives a quick snapshot of profit, fees, and restrictions. Then scroll down the product page to find the Keepa chart. Keepa visualizes sales rank, price, offers, and buy box history over time, which is essential for judging demand and stability. Start with sales using Keepa. Focus on the green line, which represents the best sellers rank, or BSR. Each noticeable drop in that line typically indicates a sale. Count the drops over your preferred time frame. More frequent drops suggest stronger demand. A chart with steady, frequent dips is a positive sign. Now, assess price history. Look for the red line, which shows the buy box price. You want to see a stable, consistent price with minimal big spikes or sharp drops. Stability helps ensure your profit assumptions won't evaporate after you buy inventory. Check competition next. Keepa shows the number of offers over time. Fewer competing sellers usually means a better chance of sharing the buy box and moving units at your target price. A sudden surge in offers can signal increasing competition that may pressure price and sales velocity. Move back to SellerAmp to analyze profit. Enter your exact buy cost, then review the calculated ROI, profit, and Amazon fees. Make sure profit stays positive after fees and that the ROI aligns with your goals. Small changes in price or fees can change the math, so it's worth a careful look. Before you get too excited, verify restrictions. In SellerAmp, open the restriction checker to confirm the product isn't gated for your account and that there are no IP alerts. If either appears, treat it as a red flag. Finally, examine buy box behavior. SellerAmp shows whether multiple sellers rotate through the buy box. Ideally, rotation is shared among third-party sellers. Avoid listings where Amazon holds the buy box most of the time, as they often crowd out competitors. Put it all together: strong Keepa drops, a stable buy box price, manageable competition, positive profit in SellerAmp, and no restrictions. If Amazon dominates the buy box, skip it. That's how you use Keepa and SellerAmp SAS to make smart, data-driven sourcing decisions.